Hi, so today we are going to be showing you how to install Malwarebytes for Mac on your personal computer. First, you're going to look up Malwarebytes for Mac, and then you're going to click on that first link right there. Then you're going to click on Free Download in the top right hand corner. After the Malwarebytes package has finished downloading, click on it to open the file. Then you will click through a series of prompts to install the software. Make sure to agree to the software license agreement and then install the software using your password. Now that Malwarebytes is installed, click on Personal Computer to get started. You do not need the premium version, so click on Maybe Later. Now that the software is installed, we're going to go ahead and click on Close and move to Trash. From there, we're going to reopen Malwarebytes. And with that, you have successfully installed Malwarebytes. In the center, you can click on the blue scan button in order to scan your laptop for viruses, and on the left you'll find your defection history, where it'll show you all different types of viruses and quarantine items you have had in the past.